Hi everyone. So in this video, you will learn how to get the IP address of a user using JavaScript. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a button here, get. The moment when I will press this button, get, I'll make a fetch request to a third-party API service, and that API service will return the IP address. I'm using the extension browsec just to protect my IP. So the IP address that you will see here will not be my original IP address. It will be somewhere from United States. So let's click on this button, and that's the IP address. Now let's try to change the location. Let's make it United Kingdom. Click on get. Now I'm getting a different IP address. I'm using this service, IP5. You simply need to make a fetch request to this URL. Let me show it to you here. This one. And it will give us a JSON response, and there will be a property IP. We'll use that property and display the IP address on the screen. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. So let's create a file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to the style sheet and a script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one button element. Text will be get. We need one h2 element. Initially the text will be 00. Save it. Create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the button element. Display will be block. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto. Padding will be 10 pixel and 50 pixel. Border will be none. Border radius will be 10 pixels. Background color will be this. Font color will be white. Font weight will be bold. Cursor will be pointer. Select the h2 element. Text align will be center. Save it. Now create a script file here. Script.js. Select both the elements. So let's make it btn element. Also we need that heading element. It will be h2. Add a click event lister to the button. So the first thing that we'll do, we'll update the text of the heading element. So text content will be fetching. Then we'll make a fetch request to this API endpoint. Just copy it. Use fetch here. Then we'll pass the JSON response. Now you can see we got this IP property here. So we'll simply display the IP address in the heading element. Just copy it. Paste it here. It will be data.ip. Also let's have a catch block here. In case something goes wrong, we'll console log the error. Save it. So that's all what you need. Initially, when we'll click the button, we'll display a text fetching. Because this fetch request will take some time. And the moment when we'll get the response, we'll display the IP address in the h2 element. Open this file in the browser. Click on get. So that's the IP address. Let's pick a different location. Let's go with Netherlands. Click get. And that's the IP address from Netherlands. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.